and Stuba was there, but the bedding was heavy on the bay and the mare, and away out yonder, ahead of them all, came a prancing and a dancing, my noble Stuba. I bet on the grey mare, I bet on the bay. If I'd have bet on old Stuba, I'd be a free man today. Oh, the hoot owl she hollered, and the turtle of more. I'm a poor boy in trouble, I'm a long way from home. Oh, Stuba was a racehorse, and I wish she were mine. He never drank water, he always drank wine. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand, I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm out here on the grass, where the pavement never grows. Well, the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. There she goes, my friend, she's a-rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engine roar, hear the mighty engine roar. See the silver wing on high, see the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she flies, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying o'er my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. Can't jump a jet plane like I can a freight train, so I guess be on my way.
离家500里，